So one of the things we were talking about, which is I think an important topic, David, is people don't realize that you can prevent or eliminate the need to refinish your floors. And people just think, well, eventually the floors will wear out and then you'll have to go through the full sanding process. Well, there's a way to stop that. There's a way to actually never have to sand your floors, your wood floors, ever again. And the way you do that is you use non-wax-based or non-oil-based cleaning products.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, keep oil and wax off the surface of the floor, which then allows for us to come in and actually reseal the floor. And by virtue of resealing the floor, you always have enough of protective coating on the surface that the floor never wears out. So if you can maintain that floor with just a buffing and a resealing, and we have a very specific process that we perform to a lot of our clients' floors where we can come in and buff the floors, apply a coating of polyurethane, and we can get you another 5 to 7 years of life out of that floor. And you do that again, and you do it again, and you periodically have us come in and do this maintenance coat, you'll never really get through to raw wood. You'll never be anywhere near raw wood. And so therefore, unless you're just simply tired of the color of your floor and you want to refinish it for that purpose, you really will never have to sand your floor because it's fully protected.